The famous Japanese car manufacturer Honda is bringing an all-new 7-seater family SUV named as N7X. The N7X stands for New 7-Seater Excitement. Honda has built the SUV in the same platform as the new Honda City sedan. The SUV is set to make its world premiere on September 2021. According to the rumor, the N7X will come to the market in the name of BRV. The SUV will be available in 4 variants: S, E, Prestige and Prestige HS. The SUV will be launched on September in some of the Asian markets including Indonesia. Honda has a plan to bring this SUV in the Indian market at the end of 2022 by replacing the new best-selling current BRV at the expected starting price of Rs 12 lakhs extra. After coming to India, it will be the rival of Hyundai Alcazar. In terms of power, the SUV will get 1.5-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine which can be able to churn out 121 bhp of power and 145 Nm of peak torque. The engine is expected to be mated to an optional 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission. It is expected that the SUV may get the hybrid powertrain as well for more fuel efficiency. Talking about the exterior design, the new SUV will get sportier rugged look. It will get SUV-like profile with sloping roofline. Up front, it will get sleek LED projector headlights with inserted L-shaped LED DRLs, more aggressive chrome-accented front grille with the Honda badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, bumper-mounted black inserted LED fog lights housing, and front silver skid plate. The side profile will get power heated beams with indicated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, large wheelers with black cladding, side body molding and new set of crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of wrap-around LED tail lights, Honda badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, chrome accented rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, decoupled power adjustable leather wrap flat bottom, 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart instrument cluster with TFT multi-information display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, smartphone connectivity, USB port, premium sound system with 6 speakers, remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holders, auto climate control, vanity mirror, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with adjustable driver seats, rear second row seats with 60/40 splitting options and third row seats with 50/50 splitting options and bigger boot space. The SUV will get a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, advanced driver assistance system, ABS with EBD, brake assist, emergency stop signal, auto door lock, electronic stability program, collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection system, traffic sign recognition system, high beam assist, rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.